Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Daily Town.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tom.
And I'm Ashley.
Hey, Ashley. How are you today?
I'm great, Tom. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. You remember Maya, right? In the last video, we went shopping for food and drinks.
And then we cooked and prepared everything in the kitchen together.
Yes.
So today is special. It's a welcome party for our new friend, Maya.
And the topic today is very useful: how to meet someone new and talk about yourself.
Yes, we'll learn easy English for real life. Greetings, questions, and small talk.
And before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
Hit the bell so you never miss a lesson.
Okay, let's begin.
Hi. Excuse me. Are you Tom?
Yes, I'm Tom. And you are...
I'm Maya. Ashley told me about you.
Oh, you're Maya. Welcome back.
Thank you. This sandwich, did you make it? Ashley said you helped.
I made the egg one. I don't know if it's good.
It's good. You did a nice job.
Really? Thanks. I was not sure.
And Tom, thank you for this party. The food, the table, everything. I can see you worked hard.
Oh, not only me. Ashley made the plan. I just helped.
Still, you helped. It feels nice. Coming home and seeing this, it makes me happy.
I'm glad. We wanted you to feel welcome.
You like sitting by the window?
Yeah, I feel shy in big groups.
Me too sometimes. Parties are loud, but one-to-one, it's easier.
Exactly.
Tom, have we met before? You look familiar.
Maybe. I think so.
Wait, the cafe on a rainy night?
Yes, you played music there with your big cello.
Oh, you remember that.
Of course. The rain was hard, but inside, your music was soft and warm.
Thank you. That night was special.
After you finished, I came to say something. Do you remember?
Many people spoke to me. What did you say?
I said, your music is very beautiful.
Ah, I remember now. You were the student by the window.
That was me.
I'm happy we meet again tonight.
So, you studied music, right?
Yes, I studied at a music school. Not here, in another country.
Really? Which language did you use?
French. Classes, teachers, everything was in French.
Wow, that sounds hard.
It was. At first, I didn't understand. One time, I wanted milk, but I said the wrong word and got bread.
Oh, I know that feeling. Wrong word, wrong food.
Yes, but step by step, I learned. Friends helped me. Music helped me.
English snack. Many learners say, I know you, even when they never met the person.
Oh, but Isn't that correct?
Careful. I know you means we already met before.
Ah, so what if it's the first time, but I heard about them?
Then say, I know about you, or I've heard about you.
Okay. Ashley told me about you. I know about you.
Perfect. That sounds natural.
Did you also work while you studied?
Yes, I played music in cafes, small bars, and sometimes on the street. That money helped me pay for school.
That sounds not easy.
True. Not easy, but it made me strong.
Yes,
Sometimes I also played in concerts.
concerts. You mean big music shows?
Yes, big music shows. Many people, many lights.
Wow, that must feel special.
It does. When you play, you see all the people, you feel their eyes.
And you read those little signs on music paper?
Yes, we call them music notes.
Notes. Like school notes?
Similar word, but different. Music notes are the small symbols on paper that show sound.
Ah, symbols for sound. That's clear now.
And you, Tom, what do you study?
Computer science?
Oh, coding, numbers, machines.
Yes, not as beautiful as music.
But still art in its own way. Making programs is like writing music notes. You put small things together to make something big.
I never thought of it like that. That's a nice way to say it.
Tom, can I ask, do you live here alone?
No, I live in the dorm, but my family is in another city.
Oh, you must miss them sometimes.
Yes, I have one older brother. He works in an office. When we were kids, we always fought.
Fought?
Yes, silly fights about toys, about who gets the last cookie.
And now?
Now we laugh about it. He always says, I was the boss.
That's cute. I have a younger sister. She is still in high school.
High school. So she's a teenager.
Yes, and she always takes my clothes.
Really?
Yes, I come home, open my closet, empty. My sister is wearing everything.
That's funny. Do you get angry?
Sometimes. But then she gives me small drawings, little notes. I keep them in a box.
That's sweet.
English snack. Careful with this one. Many learners say, I play with music. That sounds wrong.
What should we say?
Just play music or play the violin.
So, not play with music, but play music?
Exactly. Mini loop, play football, play music, play guitar.
Ah, same play, but no with.
So, Tom, what do you like to do outside of study?
I like games. Sometimes I also make small apps with code. And I play basketball.
Basketball? That's nice. Do you play often?
Not very often.
I'm not great, but it helps me relax. Running, shooting, laughing with friends.
That's the best part. Not being the best, but enjoying it.
Exactly. And you, Maya?
Well, besides music, I like to draw. Just simple pictures on paper.
Pictures? Like people or nature?
Both. Sometimes a face, sometimes a tree. It's not about perfect lines. It's about catching a feeling.
That's beautiful. Music and drawing? You are really creative.
Maybe, but for me, it's not about skill. It's about joy. When I draw, I feel calm. When I play music, I feel alive.
I understand. I like games not because I'm the best, but because they're fun.
You know, I think interests are like doors.
Doors?
Yes. Imagine a big house with many doors. Each hobby is a door. You open one, and inside you meet people who love the same thing.
Then maybe English is a door too.
Exactly. A big door. You open it, and you meet people from many places.
And today we are here. Maybe two doors open at the same time?
Yes. Music and English. Two doors, and now two people meet.
English snack. Here's a small mistake I often hear. Some learners say, I speak in French.
That's wrong.
Not wrong, but not natural. Native speakers say, I speak French.
Ah, short and simple. I speak French.
Yes. Mini loop. I speak English. I speak French. I speak Spanish.
Easy. Just speak plus language.
Tom, can I ask you something? When you studied English, were you afraid to speak?
Yes, many times. My mind goes blank. My voice stops.
I understand. When I studied French, I was afraid too. My accent was strong. People laughed sometimes.
That must have been hard.
It was. But one teacher told me a story. She said, a baby falls many times before walking, but no baby thinks, I will never walk. So I told myself, I am a baby in French. Falling is part of walking.
I like that. Falling is part of walking.
Yes, and the same for you with English. Don't wait until you are perfect. Speak, fall, laugh, and try again.
Easy to say, but when many people listen, I freeze.
Then start small. Speak first with friends, with me. One step.
Okay. With you.
Good. Now tell me, Tom, one small thing about you. Not study. Maybe when you were a kid, what did you want to be?
When I was a kid, I wanted to be a pilot.
A pilot? Really? Why?
I loved planes. I would stand outside my house and watch the sky. Once, my dad took me to an airport. A pilot waved at me from the window. That moment, I thought, wow, one day that will be me.
That is beautiful. You still remember.
Yes, Maybe I will never be a pilot, but that dream pushed me. It made me love learning.
That's important. Our dreams, when we are small, they show us who we are inside.
Okay, now your turn.
Your turn?
Yes, tell me.
When I was little, I wanted to have a bakery.
A bakery.
Yes, I loved bread. Every Saturday, my grandma baked bread at home. The smell filled the house. I wanted to make people happy with food like that.
That's sweet. And now you make people happy with music.
Exactly. Maybe not with bread, but with cello. Still, that dream stayed with me. Sometimes I think maybe one day I will have both, music and bread.
A music bakery. That would be cool.
You see, Tom, these times, learning a new language, chasing a dream, making mistakes, these are the hardest times, but also the brightest.
Brightest.
Yes. Later, when you look back, you will say, that was my high moment. That was when I grew.
Maybe this time with English is my moment.
Yes, and you will never forget it.
Hey, you two look deep in talk.
Yeah, just sharing stories.
And practicing English, too.
Perfect mix. That's what tonight is for. Friends, food, and fun.
I liked our talk.
Me too, Tom. And hey, I need to start looking for a place to live. Do you maybe have time this week to come with me?
Sure, I can help.
Great. That's our next adventure.
Okay.
And thanks to all of you watching. Today we learned how to meet someone new and talk about yourself.
Greetings, questions, small stories, easy English for real life.
And remember, it's okay to be shy. Start small, step by step.
Yes. Like, share, and subscribe for more lessons.
See you next time in English Daily Town.